why is Google Ads so important for every business?
Okay, so when you have a problem or uh, you're looking for a solution, where do you go? Google. And that's where you need to start because it has got the highest intent. We don't go to Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, TikTok to find the solution to our problem. So Google is where the solution to everybody's problem is. This is why it is important that you have a great presence organically on Google Ads as well as with the ads. Now, Google Ads is not only the Google page where you see the top four ads. Google is a lot more than just the search network. You've got Gmail. When you go into Gmail, you see ads. When you go to YouTube, you see ads over there. When you go to the internet, so places like CNN, ESPN, BBC, all these websites which are high authority and has got huge amount of traffic, you will see those little banner ads on there as well. So this is where you can also promote your ads on there as well. So Google has got such a big ecosystem that you can hit your audience at every touch point wherever they go. Most important, or well, not most important, but another important one is Google Maps. We use maps pretty much on a daily basis as well. So Google has created this ecosystem where we can promote and push our services or products wherever our audience is.
Brilliant, because you're right. You don't think about all those other things. Everybody always goes straight to search, especially as a business owner. If marketing isn't your thing,
Mm.
then you just think search is your only option. But actually, you're absolutely right. There's a whole ecosystem that you can build a really strong campaign on. So thanks for that,
Yeah.
Zach.